this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop games updating on your PlayStation 4. So what we want to do is go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go all the way down to System. And then under here, we can go to Automatic Updates, and just turn off Application Updates right here. Automatically download application updates while the PS4 is turned on. So we can turn this off, and then it won't automatically update. Now you can still go to the game, and if I start up Minecraft, for example, if there is an update, it's going to prompt an update, and maybe it won't allow you to use the application, but hold down the PlayStation button and go to where it says notifications, and you're going to see the application update downloading. What you can do is just go into here and you can pause the download, or you can delete it from actually downloading so the game doesn't update. So you're going to have to catch that. It's going to pop up on the screen that says updating, and then you can just stop it from updating by going to downloads and canceling out the downloads right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.